Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. What a neat car. We've got a 53 Buick Super Convertible. It's been very carefully restored. I actually have a photo album that I forgot to grab before I came in here, but there'll be pictures on our website. We have a photo album of this thing taken apart and stripped down to bare metal. The fellow I got it from, he's owned several Buicks, and nice guy to talk to, but he will talk to you all day long about this car. You can tell it was his baby. He took a lot of pride and joy into restoring this thing to make it a beautiful, great driving car. Go to volocars.com. You can check out all the pictures there. You can read the full description, and that's where you'll find the price, not only of this car, but we have a couple hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, though, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 53 Buick. Underneath the car has been inspected, cleaned, painted. It's just very nice, solid, clean underneath. All the components were checked. If something needed to be replaced, it was. Exhaust system's nice. Brakes are working really well. The body and paint is in excellent shape. Like I said, we have pictures of it all apart, fenders off, stripped down to bare metal. It's straight. It fits real nice. There's no signs of rust or bubbles or blisters, anything like that. All smooth, glossy paint. It was bought by Lynch Buick in Chicago. That's the original tag they put back on the car. But this is a very nice quality paint job. It has a fuel door trim. I think that's an option. All this stainless is straightened and polished. It's a nice gas cap. Yeah, the fuel tank looked new under there. Minor, little tiny dimple. The welting between the fenders looks new. It has the fingernail guards. All this is straight and shiny. I'm not going to say it's polished like perfect chrome. There's light hairline marks here and there, but this is in excellent shape. The big wide molding here, this is all straight and shiny. Again, I'm being overly critical, but a little tiny little dimple here or there, but all real nice. The three venti ports are in real nice shape. Windshield looks crystal clear. All this trim is real nice. This is the antenna. There's a big knob in there. You can turn it downwards so when you pull in your garage, you don't break it off. Big, ginormous hood. All this chrome here is beautiful. All of this is real nice shape. Got the teardrop headlight bezels. Radial diamond black, I think they're diamond back, white wall tires. Red painted rims, obviously, and he has the deluxe wire hubcaps. These are in a couple different pieces. They're kind of intricate. Those were going to be used on the Skylark, and then they went with actual wire wheels on the Skylark. And then good old curb feelers. My photographer didn't know what those were, but you'd hear those touching the curb so you didn't scuff your white wall tires. Interior is beautiful. Got a big old trunk. Real nicely, all refitted, relined. Fifth spare tire, white wall, never been used. Red painted rim. This is painted up nice. Weather strip's nice. The latches look real good. Well liner looks good. So all the upholstery's been redone. You got a boot, the seating, the door panels, all been redone. Carpets were all replaced, including matching floor mats were cut and have bound edges. The dash was completely out of this car and restored. It's all repainted real nicely. All the chrome and radio and knobs and everything looks really good. Steering wheel's beautiful. There is a stereo hidden in the glove box, and he did change the interior bulbs to LEDs. And this has an inside hood latch. It's a 322 V8 motor. Motor compartment is beautiful. This is show quality. Definitely, you'll be proud to open this for anyone that asks. All the components in here are beautiful, all painted real nice. It all looks proper, just the way the wires and tubes and everything are run. The hose clamps, the shroud, excellent. Fuel pump looks new. It has power steering. Has the washer jar, glass jar up on the firewall. It comes with literature too. I told you about their photo album. All sorts of literature, articles about these cars, sales brochures, that sort of thing will come with it too. This is an early version of a heated seat. It actually has a heater underneath the seat that blows up. We're going to start it up. For those of you that are too young to know what these cars are about, to start it, you put the key on and the starter button's under the gas pedal. So you depress the gas pedal. It starts right up. And this thing runs smooth. I turn on the headlights. Here we go. Got power windows, power top. Metal door edge guard. Door jambs are beautiful. This motor compartment's pristine, and this motor runs like a Swiss watch. For all practical purposes, the car looks new. Boy, it runs nice. Couldn't ask for a better running motor. We did put an oil pressure gauge. No, it's a temperature gauge down below the dash. So there you have it. Good old classic right here. It's really nice to see. We get so many Chevelles and Camaros. Everyone here has made some sort of comment about the car just because it's so unique and different, but it's beautiful. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, please ask. Again, that's volocars.com. They can also make the shipping, financing, and paperwork all real easy for you. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. But thanks for watching.